KMRSounds.
You're my private. Whoa, you mean no one comes between. I'm on you, yeah. I won't go. Whoa, what's your business? Cause I'm trying. Hey, I heard thoughts get freaky round here. Show me what's up. Whoa, tell me I'm gone. Whoa, yeah. Hey, you the type of polluted, so I got you a private room. Hey, or you can come to my place. You say you like a high taste, sipping you like hype. I don't sip the high taste, but I'm tryna bite them. Drink up this up on you. Call your friends, I'm breaking the crew. And girls just come over. They some bougie, they pulled up in Rover. Hey man, I ain't off no drink, I'm like this when I'm sober. Hey, she a pretty caramel skin, I call her Lola. Hey, what happens, no, I got the keys to your private room. So let me come inside it tonight. So let me come inside it tonight. I got the keys to your private room. So let me come inside it tonight. Let me come inside it. You're my private. Whoa, you mean no one comes between. I'm on you, yeah. I won't go. Whoa, what's your tension? Cause I'm trying. Hey, I heard thoughts get freaky round here. Show me what's up. Whoa, tell me I'm gone. Whoa, yeah. Hey, you the type of included, so I got you a private room. She a free look, she determined. She pulled up in the lane. She too fine, need a latex, cause I might have some kids. She like JP, I love you, so I pulled up to your crib. This a private room, you won't touch my. No. Like girl, would you leave me? No. Do you think that I need you? No. Do you think I'm a cheater? No, I got jungle fever. You got the stripes like zebras. She watching my print, I'm a cheater. No. She think I ain't gon' leave her, but girl, I'ma leave you now. I'm a heartbreak kid, you found me. Get wet hit, got into it and then they drown. And I'm sorry I had to leave you. You was tasty, yeah, I had to eat you. You a free, not get lethal. Private room, I had to treat you. Tell your friends how I your back in. Stroking my thumb in the napkin, freaky.